In this video, we're going to solve trigonometric equations that are in quadratic form. We're going to do this with a u substitution. We're going to let u equal sine theta. So this turns into 2u squared minus 3u plus 1 equals 0. When we factor it, this is 2u times u. Signs are the same and they're both negative. 1 and 1 makes 1, and 2 and 1 makes 3. So u equals 1/2 here, or u equals 1. I know I skipped some steps, so let me go ahead and do that. 2u minus 1 equals 0, 2u equals 1, u equals 1/2, u minus 1 equals 0, u equals 1. Let's come back and substitute back and say that means sine theta equals 1/2 or sine theta equals 1. We're going to go back to our unit circle because we're restricted between 0 and 2 pi. What angles give us a sine value of 1/2? Theta is going to be pi over 3 or 5 pi, this is pi over 6, sorry, pi over 6 or 5 pi over 6, that's what I was trying to say. And sine theta equals 1 at pi over 2. So let's go in order here. Pi over 6, pi over 2, and 5 pi over 6. We're going to draw these in order here. This is pi over 6, our 30-degree angle. This is 5 pi over 6, our 150-degree angle. And we have pi over 2, our 90-degree angle. So that's why we're going in order smallest to biggest like that. All right. Cosine of theta equals 3 root 3 sine of negative theta. First thing I need to do is pull that negative out from the sign. So cosine of theta is equal to negative root 3 sine theta. I always want to try and make a tangent show up when I see sines and cosines like this. So I want to get sine over cosine as tangent. That's going to give me a negative 1 over root 3 on this side is equal to sine over cosine on this side is equal to tangent. So tangent is negative, and that's going to be in quadrants 2 and 4. Opposite over adjacent, opposite over adjacent. And so the reference angle here is going to be pi over 6. So that's going to be 5 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. All right, this one's going to be trickier. We don't do any division here. What we do is we're going to subtract tan theta minus 2 sine theta. We're going to write that equal to 0. We're going to write this tan theta as sine over cosine. It's going to be sine theta over cosine theta. We're going to factor out that sine theta. And that's going to leave me with a 1 over cosine, which is going to be secant, minus, that's going to give me 2 equals 0. So sine theta equals 0, or secant theta minus 2 equals 0. So secant theta equals 2, which means cosine theta equals 1/2. So sine equals 0, unit circle here, at 0 or pi. So those are two of my answers. Cosine is 1/2 at 1, 2, root 3. So 0, pi, and pi over 3. And we're going to go all the way around here to 5 pi over 3. It's going to be 0, pi over 3, pi, and 5 pi over 3. And because we're going around this way, we're not giving answers with negative angles because we were told that our answers need to be between 0 and 2 pi. Right, that's it for this video. And we'll come back next time and talk about 6.4. See you for the next video.